Hey, PattyKakes here. Want some steak and gravy? You're gonna have to make your own. Let me show you how.
I got me 2 New York strips, all washed and dried. I'm gonna season them up. I like Kinders. Now after my steaks are all seasoned, I'm gonna put them in a pan with some olive oil, and I'm gonna brown them on each side. While my steaks are browning, I'm gonna add in a tablespoon of butter. After your steak has browned about 5 minutes, you're gonna remove it out of the pot and add your onions. You're gonna add in your onions. You're gonna saute your onions. You don't have to use red onions. We like red onions. After your onions have sauteed, you're gonna start adding in your flour. Then you're gonna add in your beef broth. I don't want it too thick, so I'm going to add in a little water. A little bit of browning sauce. A little bit of black pepper. A little bit more salt. And now you're going to add your steaks into your gravy. And you're going to put it on low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After your steak has simmered about 10 minutes, or how well you like your steak, it's ready to plate. Like I said, your steak is ready to plate. Bon appetit.
Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to PattyKakes Kitchen. We want to start by saying thank you truly to everyone who subscribed and supported our channel. And to all our new subscribers, welcome to the kitchen. We're a small husband and wife channel, and we do not pay for ads or promotions. Everything we do, it grows because of you. So if you enjoy our recipes and the love we put into this kitchen, please take a moment to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell and make sure it's set to all. It costs nothing, but it means everything to us. Thank you for being here, and thank you for sharing our videos, and thanks for helping our little kitchen reach more homes. All right, let's get to cooking.